Extremely simple web server for Windows? A few years ago I used a super simple free web server for Windows. The only thing you had to do was copy an exe to a dir, double-click that exe, and, voila, that dir was now accessible over HTTP. The only problem is that I can't find that little gem.
I recently used Mongoose for this purpose. It supports Windows. From the home page, Mongoose executable does not depend on any external library or configuration. If it is copied to any directory and executed, it starts to serve that directory on port 8080. If some additional config is required, for example, different listening port or IP-based access control, then a mongoose.conference file with respective options, see example, can be created in the same directory where executable lives. This makes Mongoose perfect for all sorts of demos, quick tests, file sharing, and web programming.
If you have Python installed, you can use it to serve the current directory over HTTP. By default, it binds to port 8000. To choose another port, you can even have CGI support if you use webserver instead. Just make sure that the CGI scripts are in a CGI bin subdirectory. Simple webserver and webserver are Python modules that come bundled with standard Python installs. I'm pretty sure that most scripting languages have similar tricks. Python just happens to be my favorite Swiss Army knife. Of course, Python is much bigger than a single small standalone executable, but it just happens to be installed on every computer I ever touch.
Ganks for Windows is like that. Extract, run the executable, and place your documents in the HTML folder.
I use HFS sometimes in a pinch. Maybe you'll find it useful. HFS.
Monster channel.